Hi everyone. Let's be honest. When you think of a custom Harley, you usually expect the same old thing. But what if I told you there's a shop in North Carolina that doesn't just build motorcycles, they shatter expectations? Welcome to Southeast Custom Cycles. With over 20 years of experience, they have taken the legendary Road Glide and turned it into a weapon. We're not talking about standard stage upgrades, we are talking about builds so powerful, so refined, that even the most expensive factory CVO or SD models can hang with them. We're talking about pushing horsepower to the limits the stock bike could only dream of. But it's not just about going fast. Look at the paint. Southeast Custom Cycles treats every tank and fairing like a canvas. Your wildest dreams, your craziest color combos, they make them real. And the sound? It's like an orchestra of American V-twin thunder, tuned for maximum performance. When you commission a build from Southeast Custom Cycles, you're not buying a bike, you're investing in a legacy of American craftsmanship. And that is one decision you will never regret. Feel the presence before you even hear it. This is not just another touring machine. A legend reborn in steel and thunder, the Harley-Davidson Road Glide Custom by Southeast Custom Cycles. Johnny Cash. You're looking at a machine that started its life as a brand new Road Glide, fresh off the showroom floor with just 10 miles on the clock. But what you're hearing now, what you're feeling, is something entirely different. From the very beginning, the mission was clear, not to match the factory's best, but to surpass it. To take the idea of a CVO SD and push it beyond limits. And that's exactly what happened. The foundation was laid with a genuine CVO SD paint set, already iconic, but that wasn't enough. Look closer, the eagle carries handcrafted pinstriped outlines, subtle, precise, unmistakably custom. And where others would leave a badge, this build replaces it with identity, a signature of Southeast Custom Cycles. Every detail you can see, and many you can, has been carefully selected. Genuine ST components, suspension, brakes, controls, fender, all working together to deliver not just style, but purpose. But let's talk about what really matters when you twist the throttle. This machine produces 146 torque and 142 horsepower. That's not just numbers, that's authority. That's the kind of power that changes the way the road feels beneath you. From a standing start, from a 70-mile-per-hour roll, this bike doesn't chase, it dominates. Imagine pulling up next to someone who thinks they know what they're riding against. And then, in a heartbeat, you're gone. Leaving confusion, and nothing but the echo of raw performance behind you. And the best part? It looks almost stock. That's the beauty of it, understated. Controlled, lethal. Built by a team with over 20 years of experience, backed by thousands of riders who already know what Southeast Custom Cycles delivers. Machines that don't just meet expectations. They redefine them. So now the question is simple. Can you feel it calling you? Because this isn't just a motorcycle. It's an attitude, a presence, a ride that refuses to be ignored. And maybe, just maybe, it's yours. Step into the night, and listen closely. Because what you're about to experience is more than just a motorcycle, it's a presence that moves through the darkness with precision, power, and unmistakable style. This is the Harley-Davidson Road Glide Custom by Southeast Custom Cycles. Night TALON. It began as a standard road glide, a solid foundation, respected, proven. But what stands before you now has been transformed into something far more aggressive. A hot rod fat tire bagger built to command attention and dominate the road. From the first glance, you can tell, every detail has been pushed further. Every component refined, upgraded, or completely reimagined. This isn't just customization, this is a complete evolution. A machine built for the rider who refuses to settle for almost. And when you climb on, you feel it instantly. At the heart of the Night TALON lies a Level 2 engine package, a carefully engineered setup designed not just to match expectations, but to exceed them. The performance? Nearly identical to the legendary Screamin' Eagle Stage 4, but with its own attitude, its own voice. Smooth when you need it, brutal when you demand it. Twist the throttle, and the response is immediate. Controlled, relentless. This bike doesn't just move, it launches. It pulls you forward with a force that feels effortless, yet unstoppable. And yet, it's not just about speed. It's about how you feel when you ride. Picture yourself rolling into a gas station. You shut it down, and before you even take off your gloves, you already know what's coming. Eyes locked on your bike. Questions, compliments, conversations you didn't plan, but now wouldn't trade for anything. Because the Night Talon doesn't just turn heads, it holds them. Built by a team with over 2 decades of experience, backed by thousands of riders who already understand what true craftsmanship feels like, this machine represents more than skill. It represents pride, obsession, a relentless pursuit of perfection. So now, it's your move. Are you ready to stop running with the pack and start soaring above it? Because the Night Talon isn't just built to ride. It's built for you to take control and own the night. Close your eyes for a second and imagine a machine that blends raw performance, striking design, and pure emotion into one unforgettable ride. This is the Harley-Davidson Road Glide Custom by Southeast Custom Cycles, Hybrid Theory 5. It started as a low-mileage pre-owned road glide, a solid base with potential. But what you're looking at now is something entirely transformed. A true hot rod performance bagger built to deliver everything you've ever wanted from a custom machine, and then push far beyond it. The first thing that hits you is the color. That deep cinnamon red paint doesn't just shine, it burns. In the sunlight, it comes alive with a richness that demands attention. People don't just notice it, they stop, stare, and try to figure out what exactly they're looking at. But this bike isn't just about looks. Step closer, because the real story is in the details. You've got a full air ride system, giving you the ability to drop it low when parked and lift it up for a smooth, controlled ride. An aggressive fat 18-inch wheel conversion adds stance and presence, perfectly matched to the overall design. The sound's Legacia stereo system surrounds you with crystal clear audio, turning every ride into your personal soundtrack. And then, there's the heart of the beast. A built Level 4, 128 cubic inch engine, engineered, tuned, and unleashed to deliver 160 foot-pounds of torque and 150 horsepower. That's not just powerful, that's dominating. That's the kind of performance that leads factory builds, even the top-tier ones, struggling to keep up. Twist the throttle, and you don't just accelerate, you surge forward with authority. Smooth, controlled, yet brutally fast when you want it to be. And still, it doesn't sacrifice comfort. Custom upholstery, a detachable tour pack, a hand-built exhaust system, everything designed so that whether you're cruising through the city or chasing the horizon, you feel completely in control. This isn't just a bike you ride, it's a bike you experience. So here's the truth. Life is short. You can wait, or you can ride. And if you're ready to own something truly one of a kind, something that reflects power, style, and individuality, Hybrid Theory 5 is already waiting for you. Listen closely, because some machines don't just arrive, they hit like a force of nature. This is the Harley-Davidson Road Glide Custom by Southeast Custom Cycles, TSUNAMI. It started as a low-mileage road glide, clean, capable, and full of potential. But what you're seeing now is something completely transformed. A machine built to overwhelm the ordinary and redefine what power feels like beneath you. The first thing that captures your attention is the paint. A deep, shifting blend of blue into purple, rich, fluid, almost alive. In the light, it moves like water. In the shadows, it darkens with intensity. It doesn't just stand out, it pulls people in, holding their nerves a lot longer than they expect. But this bike isn't just about presence, it's about impact. Lower it down with the air ride system and watch it settle into an aggressive stance. Then bring it up, roll forward, and feel how effortlessly it glides over the road. The fat 21-inch front wheel gives it that bold, commanding look, perfectly matched with the rest of the build to create something that feels both powerful and precise. And then, there's the engine. A Level 2 power package, built with one goal in mind, to outperform. More power, more torque, more response than the factory's top-tier machines. Twist the throttle, and you'll understand instantly. The acceleration comes in strong, smooth at first, then building into a surge that feels unstoppable. It doesn't fight you, it works with you. Every movement, every input, answered with precision and force. And while the performance is brutal, the ride remains refined. Custom upholstery keeps you comfortable mile after mile. A full stereo system surrounds you with sound, turning every ride into an experience that's not just seen or felt, but heard. This is the one people follow with their eyes. The one they ask about, the one they remember. Crafted with pride, and designed for riders who want more than just another bike. So let me ask you something. Are you ready to ride something that doesn't just move through the road, but hits it with unstoppable force? Because TSUNAMI isn't just a name. It's exactly what this machine delivers, every single time you ride. Take a breath, and picture a machine that feels as cold, sharp, and unstoppable as ice, yet burns with pure attitude the moment it hits the road. This is the Harley-Davidson Road Glide Custom by Southeast Custom Cycles, Glacier Glide. At first glance, it almost doesn't feel real. Fully chromed from front to back, this bike doesn't just reflect light, it owns it. Every surface shines with a mirror-like intensity, turning the entire machine into a rolling piece of art. Wherever you go, it doesn't just get attention, it commands it. And let's be honest, if someone walks past this bike without saying wow, they probably didn't see it. Look closer. A stunning set of SMT wheels anchors the build, paired with a fat 21-inch front setup that gives it that bold, aggressive stance. It sits low, wide, and ready, like it's waiting for you to make the first move. Then you step in, and take control. With full air ride, you can drop it down for that show-stopping presence, or raise it up and glide smoothly over the road. An electric center stand adds convenience with a touch of engineering finesse. A detachable tour pack gives you versatility, long rides, short rides. It adapts to you. And everywhere you look, there's detail. Custom paint flowing over chrome. Premium leather upholstery designed not just for comfort, but for that feeling of total control. Every inch of this machine has been thought through, refined, perfected. But don't let the beauty fool you. This is a hot rod bagger. Underneath that flawless exterior sits a Level 2 performance build, similar in concept to what the factory offers, but taken further: stronger acceleration, sharper response. A sound that doesn't just rumble, it resonates. Twist the throttle, and suddenly, all that elegance turns into motion. Smooth, powerful, and confident, the kind of ride that makes every straight feel shorter, and every moment more intense. And when you stop, that's when the real show begins. People gather, they look closer, they ask questions. Because a bike like this doesn't blend in, it stands apart. Built by a team with over 2 decades of experience, driven by passion, and trusted by riders who expect nothing but the best. This is more than just a custom motorcycle. So the question is simple: are you ready to ride something that looks untouchable, but feels unstoppable? Because the Glacier Glide isn't just built to shine. Turn the key, and get ready. Because this machine doesn't wait, it reacts. This is the Harley-Davidson Road Glide Custom by Southeast Custom Cycles, Aggressor. From the very first moment you lay eyes on it, you understand, this bike wasn't built to blend in. It was built to take over. Starting with a road glide with just over 1,000 miles, this machine has been completely transformed. Not adjusted, not lightly customized. Rebuilt, from the ground up, into a true fat tire bagger with attitude in every detail. Look at the stance. A full top-shop body kit reshapes the entire silhouette, giving it a sharper, more aggressive edge. The fat 21-inch front end, paired with custom SMT wheels, plants it firmly on the road with confidence and presence. This is the kind of bike that looks fast, even when it's standing still. Now step closer, because the details matter. Custom paint flows seamlessly over precision powder-coated components. Leather upholstery adds both comfort and control. A full air ride system lets you drop it low for that unmistakable stance, or raise it up and ride with smooth authority. And when you park it, the center stand makes sure it holds its ground like a machine that knows its worth. But the real story begins the moment you hit the throttle. Underneath it all sits the SEC Level 2 engine package, a performance upgrade that doesn't just compete with factory builds. It outperforms them. Tuned, refined, and dialed in on the dyno, this bike delivers power exactly when you ask for it. Smooth when cruising. Aggressive when pushed. And when you open it up, that's when the name makes sense. Aggressor. The response is instant. The pull is strong. The sound, deep, commanding, impossible to ignore. It doesn't just accelerate. It takes control of the road ahead of you. And while you're riding, you're surrounded by a 1,200 watt sounds audio system, turning every mile into an experience you don't just feel, you live. This isn't a bike where only a few parts were changed. Everything has been upgraded, every component considered, every detail crafted with over 20 years of experience behind it, and backed with warranty that gives you confidence every time you ride. Because the Aggressor isn't here to follow. It's here for you. To lead. Thanks for watching.